Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. 19-inch 5-spoke wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, chrome accessory package with chrome hood fins, chrome door handle inserts, black MB Tex interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim, panorama sunroof. Come around back, GLE 350, 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, cargo cover, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front mirror sensors, navigation, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLE has 21,514 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.